Agentforce is where the conversation happens. Arnold AI is what securely connects that conversation to SAP. From a Salesforce opportunity, the seller prepares for an upcoming customer meeting without leaving the deal or navigating between systems. The seller asks about the customer's recent purchase. Agentforce interprets the request, while Arnold connects to SAP and retrieves the matching sales order. This is live SAP data, delivered directly within the opportunity. When the results appear, they are governed by Arnold, using the configured permissions and business rules to provide the right SAP information to the right user. Then, Arnold retrieves the related deliveries and invoices. This validated SAP context confirms that the order was successfully delivered and invoiced. The supporting sales order, delivery note, and invoice PDFs are also available on demand, without requiring the seller to navigate through SAP. The seller then requests an inventory check. The request is executed in SAP, and Arnold returns the current available quantity at the relevant plant and storage locations. Finally, Agentforce creates a customer meeting briefing, updates the opportunity, and creates the next task, turning SAP insight into sales action. Agentforce provides the experience. Enosix Arnold provides the governed connection to real-time SAP data, so sellers can work faster and act with confidence.